Go High Level for Contractors tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Go High Level for Contractors. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Go High Level, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is GoHighLevel, it is a comprehensive marketing automation platform designed primarily for agencies and small businesses, in which it integrates various tools and features to streamline operations, enhance customer engagement, and drive sales. And the platform includes CRM capabilities, email and SMS marketing, landing page, builders, funnel creation, and appointment scheduling, all within a single interface. And this all-in-one approach allows users to manage their marketing campaigns more efficiently, automate repetitive tasks, and gain valuable insights through analytics and reporting. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also go to this link and start clicking this 30-day free trial by simply entering here your email address and also creating your password. Then you will be directed on this dashboard of GoHighLevel. And on the website panel, it will show us a variety of options that we can start navigating, such as agency dashboard, prospecting, sub-accounts, account snapshots, and many more. But to start creating sub-accounts for contractors, just simply click the sub-accounts button on the website panel and click add sub-accounts on the top right corner. And in this pop-up window, just simply choose the snapshot template in here. We have here for finance, marketing, medical, business creation, financial. But since we're trying to make for contractors, they simply proceed by clicking this blank snapshot in here and click select and continue. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter here the location for your contractual job. So you can simply enter here the location or add manually in here, and below it will show you the result. And let's say I'm going to choose, for example, this one and click the save button to proceed. And upon doing so, the next thing that you need to do is simply enter or fill out this account info, such as your first name, your last name, your email address, and even your general info in here, including your business name. For example, under this general info or business name, I'm going to customize this one into Contractor Express, since the business that we're going to add in here is for contractors. So just fill out here all the required information, including your mobile number in here, and after that, you simply proceed by clicking the save button in here. Then you will automatically be directed on this page, in which it will show you all of the basic details, but just click switch to sub-account button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will now be able to be directed on this panel or this dashboard, where you can start tracking all of the data or overview, including the opportunity status, opportunity value, conversion rates, your Google business profile, lead source, task, funnel, and many more. While on the left side panel, we can also navigate here this launchpad in order to connect our Facebook account in here, or manage your Google business profile with our CRM by clicking the connect button. And aside from that, to start creating a website for contractors, you simply click the sites button on the left side panel in here, and upon clicking on it, it will show us under this website by clicking this plus new website button. And in this pop-up window, we have the choices to start from scratch or blank or from templates. And I'm going to choose to start from templates. And after that, from here, it will show us in here a variety of options. But just proceed by simply searching for contractuals or home services in here. So you can choose either roofing, lawn services, electrical, technician, plumbing services, leads, and many more. But I'm going to choose, for example, construction company. And upon choosing this construction company website, just simply click the continue button on the top right corner to start customizing this one. But all you need to do is wait for it to load, since it is currently adding all of the template in our page that we can start customizing. In which, on here, as you can see, we can start clicking on any of these elements, including this logo in here that we can upload. On the right side panel, we have here navigation menu to edit or customize some other elements it contains on this template, including the pages in the top panel, the tracking code, custom CSS, and many more. So basically, we can start customizing it by simply clicking on any element and navigating on the right side panel, the editing tools. But let's say you're now done customizing this one, just click the save button or the publish button on the top right corner to proceed. Now going back on this page right here, aside from website, we could also start creating a funnel by clicking this funnels option, in which, same as the website, it serves as a structured way that guides potential customers through various stages of buying process, but ultimately leading to conversions. So from here, just simply proceed by simply selecting the template of the funnel that you want to create with here contracting website or funnel such as roofing, contractors, and many more. So you can start selecting any of this template and start customizing it the way you customize on creating a website. Now moving on, aside from that, you can also navigate on the left side panel this automation, wherein it is designed to streamline the business processes, enhance efficiency, and improve customer engagement through various automated workflows. So we can start creating here or selecting a template such as for email drip sequence, appointment booking in here, and many more. For example, we're going to choose the appointment booking, and upon selecting on it, it will show us in here the template of the workflow. So this is basically what it looks like when a contact tag has been triggered. It will send an appointment prompt, then we're going to wait for the response, and so on. And after that, we could also start customizing the workflow trigger if you want to, or add a new trigger for the workflow, in which it can automate lead nurturing process across multiple channels including email, SMS, and social media, and this ensure timely communication with potential customers. Now moving on, we could also navigate here these opportunities, in which it is designed to enhance sales management by tracking potential deals and leads as they progress through various stages of the sales pipeline. Now moving on, aside from opportunities, you could also navigate on the website panel this marketing, where you can start creating a social planner for emails, snippets, countdown timers, trigger links, affiliate manager, and many more. Well, moving on to this reputation, by clicking on it, this feature in GoHighLevel is designed to help businesses effectively manage their online presence by facilitating the collection, monitoring, and response to customer review. Now moving on, you could also navigate on the left side panel these conversations by clicking on it, that is designed to enhance customer interaction and streamline communication process with business. Now moving on, you can navigate also below this calendars option, in which it serves as crucial purpose for contractors by streamlining scheduling, improving time management, and enhancing client interactions, which is also seen on the contacts feature in GoHighLevel, which is particularly beneficial for contractors, providing a comprehensive solution for managing client relationship and streamlining communication. Now moving on, under the settings option, we can navigate also this calendar settings, the automation, conversation AI, email services, and also this phone number, WhatsApp, our billing, my sub opportunities, and pipelines, in which all of this info or sub options are also important for contractors to make their business operations go smoothly or to capture the lead and segmentation. And even these integrations that we can start integrating or connect some other platforms such as Shopify, TikTok, Stripe, Google, and many more. So basically, the platform's comprehensive analytics and reporting tools also allow contractors to track progress and optimize their marketing strategies, ultimately driving growth and increasing sales in the competitive construction industry. So overall, that is just basically how you can start using GoHighLevel for contractors. Thank you.